Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the One Piece Pirate Warriors game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into your homepage. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and use your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, from the store page, just tap on the search button and then type in One Piece Pirate Warriors and start your search. Once you find your desired version of the One Piece Pirate Warriors game, go ahead and click on it, and you can now check out the reviews. Just click on the Add to Cart button alongside the version that you wish to purchase, and then you can click on View My Cart in order to finalize your purchase. Now click on the Continue to Payment button, and then you can choose your payment method from the list of the available options. After proceeding forward, just provide your credentials for your payment method, and after providing your credentials and finalizing your payment, the game will then be added to your library. From here you can complete the installation of the game with just a few clicks. And now you can start to enjoy your One Piece Pirate Warriors game on your PC right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the One Piece Pirate Warriors 4 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.